Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make banana and avocado hair mask. This is an amazing hair mask. Hair mask is so good. It will help to moisturize your hair, repair any damage, soften and straighten your hair. So if you want to find out how I make this, stay tuned. I'll start by cutting the avocado into two. Then I'll scoop out the flesh of the avocado and add into a blender. Avocado contains a lot of vitamin like vitamin B, C, E, K. It also has some mineral that will help to promote strong and healthy hair. When I'm done adding the avocado, I will add banana. Banana also contains a lot of vitamins. It has potassium, magnesium, and adding banana to this hair mask will make your hair super soft and also promote hair growth. I will add a 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive oil has a lot of health benefits. It also adds moisture and promotes hair growth. I will add a tablespoon of castor oil. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. And feel free to customize your own hair mask with any oil of your choice. Castor oil has a lot of nutrients like omega-6, protein, vitamin E. It will moisturize your hair and keep your hair and scalp healthy. I will add everything in the blender, cover and blend into a smooth puree. When blending, I'll put them into a bowl. Is very creamy and smells so good. I'll be showing how to apply the hair mask. So to apply the hair mask, you have to section your hair into 4 parts. Then apply the hair mask on the hair, making sure that it touches every part of your hair. When I'm done applying the hair mask, you cover your hair with a shower cap. It will help to generate heat and leave it for about 30 minutes. After about 30 minutes, you can rinse the hair. This hair mask is so good. It helps to moisturize my hair and scalp and makes my hair to be soft. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.